The EMP-Centauri company is based in Klatovy, a western district of the Czech Republic. It deals among others with the development and production of equipment for optical data networks, supplemented by satellite and terrestrial television signals. The manufactured devices are used for the simultaneous transmission of high-speed internet and satellite signals from multiple satellites and terrestrial television programs, all over a single optical fibre cable. The basic elements of the network are an optical transmitter and one or more optical receivers. Coaxial cables from satellite and television antennas are connected to the coaxial inputs of the optical transmitter. The optical output of the transmitter is connected to the optical input of the splitter using a single optical fibre cable, and then to optical receivers. An optical receiver has an optical input and coaxial outputs. These coaxial outputs can be connected to a multi-switch and to set-top boxes. Several optical receivers can be connected to the optical splitter outputs. Set-top boxes can be connected to the outputs of multi-switches via subscriber sockets. The entire network enables the distribution of all television signals from connected antennas as well as high-speed gigabit internet using an OLT optical terminal connected to an optical transmitter. A data multi-switch can also be connected to the outputs of the optical receiver. The multi-switch allows the distribution of not only satellite and terrestrial signals, but also data for the internet or networks, and this is up to 100 megabits per second for each connected subscriber's wall socket or data terminal. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.